Hello student, I am teaching you maths and my topic is circle. It is from chapter number 1, that is geometrical figures. Now student, in geometrical figure there are 3 subtopics. Number 1 is angles, second is circle and third is sides and corner. Now I am taking the topic that is circle. I will explain you circle. Now, before going to circle, I want to know what is the meaning of geometrical figures. Can you tell me what is the meaning of geometrical figures? Now, yes, geometrical figures are the terms such as point, line, inline, standing line, sleeping line, then curved line, standing line, sleeping line. In mathematical language, it is called as horizontal line, vertical line. The figures such as circle, triangle, then rectangle, square, oval, cylindrical, all these terms comes under this geometrical figures. Now, let us come to our topic, that is circle. Now student, can you give me the example of circular shape? Yes, the bangles, then the wheel, cart wheel, then the giant wheel. All these are the example of circle. Okay, now I will give you the definition of circle. Now what is circle? Circle is a closed figure made up of curved lines. This is a circle. It is a closed figure made up of curved lines. Now I will tell you student how to draw a circle. For that we require the geometrical box. From the geometrical box, see student, this is a geometrical box. Now, in the geometrical box, I will use 3 instruments. That is scale, this is called as compass, pencil and you can use the eraser. Okay. Now, I will show you how to draw a circle. Now, this is the main thing that we use to draw the circle. This is known as compass. It is having 2 arms. This is called as metal arm having the needle and this is called as pencil arm. We have to put or we have to insert this pencil in this pencil arm. That is why it is called as pencil arm. And this one is known as hinge having screw. We have to hold here and we have to draw the circle. First of all, we have to insert the pencil inside this. Now, I have inserted this pencil inside this hole and now we have to level these 2 points. Okay. After leveling this, now it will require a flat surface. Now, this is a flat surface. Now, see here student, dikh raha? So, I am keeping this to level this. After getting level, okay, I will put this needle on the point. I have drawn here a point on this paper. Okay, I have drawn here, this is the point. I will keep this needle on this point and now I will move this pencil around. Okay, without lifting your hand, you have to draw this circle. Now see here student, I have drawn the circle. Okay, getting this? Now after drawing this circle, we will study the different parts of circle. Now see, these are the different parts of circle. This is radius. First of all, this is the red point. Here it is red, written by red colored O. This is known as center. Then this line from starting from A to O, it is known as radius. Then point A to point B, it is called as diameter. Then the line, this is from point P to Q. This line is called as chord. Then the ring, the ring is called as circumference of the circle. Now this line, the chords divides the circle into two parts. This is the smaller part and this is the bigger part. The smaller part is called as minor arc and the bigger part is called as major arc. Now this is about the circle. Now I will explain the part of circle with the definition. Okay, one by one I will explain you. Now this is the part of circle. First is center. The definition for center is, it is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. Just now I have drawn the circle. I kept this compass on that point. Okay, this is the fixed point from which a circle is drawn. This is called as center of the circle. Now the center is in middle. That is why it is present in the middle of the circle. That is why it is called as center of the circle. Okay. Now the second is radius. Now student, what is radius? The line extending from the center towards any point on the circle. The line extending from the center toward any point on the circle is called as radius. We can draw here, we can draw here, we can draw the radius here also, we can draw here. The distance from center and to the point on the circle is similar. So whatever, how many radius you will draw, it will be of equal length. Now it is denoted by R. Radius is denoted by R. Next is diameter. Now what is diameter? The diameter, definition of diameter is the line, the 2 points, a line that joins 2 points on the circle by passing through the center of the circle is called as diameter. Now once again I am saying, what is diameter? Diameter is the line or the 2 points joined by a line by passing through the center of circle is called as diameter. Now we can draw numerous diameter in the circle. Then the circle, these lines divide the circle into two parts. When we get the two part, this part is called as semicircle. It is the half of the circle. That is why it is called as semicircle. Now diameter is of, it is also called as 2r, means 2 times of radius. Now we will see, this is one radius and this is another radius. That is why it is called as twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Now next comes the chord. Now the line joins the 2 point, any line that joins the 2 points on the circle, it is called as chord. We can draw, I have drawn here, this is a chord, we can draw here also, we can draw anywhere. The chord may be of different length. The chord may be of different length, and the greatest and the longest chord is the diameter. The longest chord is diameter. Okay. Now next comes the circumference of the circle. Now the outer ring of the circle. The outer ring of the circle is called as circumference of the circle. Next is the arc. This is the arc. Now this one is the arc. This line means the chord divides the circle into two parts. This is the minor part and this is the major part. Smaller part and bigger part. The minor part is called as minor arc and the bigger part is called as major arc. Okay. Now this is all about the circle and parts of circle. Now student, we will take a quick revision from this chart. Now circle. Circle, this is a circle. Circle, it is a closed figure made up of curved lines. Now I have drawn here circle with labeling. So point O is the center of the circle. Segment or line OA and OB are the radius. Segment AB, this is the diameter of the circle. Segment PQ, this is segment PQ, it is the chord of the circle. Now here are the parts of circle. I have drawn here separately circle with center, circle with radius, circle with diameter and circle with chord. These are the parts of circle. Now student, I hope you understand what is circle and parts of circle. Thank you.